Hello, today I'm going to explain how cost resources work. For this particular video, I created project with two tasks. One is trip to LA, another is trip to Oslo. Okay, Norway. And I have on view resource sheet John and Mary. So both John and Mary are going to travel to Oslo. And let's say that their cost is per hour $100, which is totally not important for this particular video. But anyhow, let's go here and I will go to resource for trip to LA. I will assign John. Okay. And I'm going to assign Mary for trip to Oslo. So John is going to travel to LA and Mary is going to travel to Oslo, and you will see that both of them, they have 40 hours for a trip and the costs are same because both of them, John and Mary, they have standard rate per $100 standard rate per hour. But what do we need for trip to LA and to Oslo? We need, let's say, airplane ticket. We have airplane ticket for LA, which costs us, let's say, just for example, $1,000, but for trip to Oslo, we should spend $2,000. What are we going to do? We are going to use cost resources. We are going to view resource sheet, and we will call this cost, the resource, airplane ticket or tickets. We are going to put this as a cost resource, and you will see that I don't have here possibility to put maximum units because it doesn't apply here, nor I can put standard rate. So what can I do here? I have now one resource, cost resource, airplane ticket, and I'm going to trip to LA, and I'm going to resource, and I'm going to assign airplane tickets. But here what I can do is put costs, and I'm going to say airplane ticket for trip to LA is $1,000, and I will assign. So you will see that I don't have units, but this is somehow fixed costs, $1,000. Let's say trip to Oslo, and trip to Oslo has also need for airplane tickets, but it will be $2,000, and I will put the sign. Now you can see that the total cost for trip to LA is 5 days, which is 40 hours, multiplied by $100 for John is $4,000 plus ticket, which is $1,000, and in total we have $5,000. For Mary, we have same 40 hours multiplied by $100 is $4,000, but plus $6,000 plus $2,000 for airplane ticket. What will happen if I put here that trip will be only 1 day? You will see that the total cost will be 8 hours multiplied by $100 per John plus ticket price for ticket to LA, which is $1,000. On the other hand, for Mary, she will spend 8 hours multiplied by $100. It's this $800, but cost for airplane tickets is $2,000, and total is $2,800. Let's say, for example, to show you that John and Mary don't have standard rate, do not have standard rate. So the total cost will be $1,000 and $2,000 just for airplane tickets. And you will see that if I put 100 days, the price will be the same. So this is how cost resource works. It applies only once per task, with fixed price. And you don't have, for example, if you travel a lot, for example, with an airplane, you will have only one resource, which is going to be something like I did, airplane tickets, and that resource can apply to each and every task in your project which has costs for airplane tickets. You can use it, of course, for different things, like, for example, wages, daily wages or what, but keep in mind that cost resources are time independent. No matter how long task will last, 1 day or 100 days or 3 years, for example, the cost will be the same for cost resources. Hope this helps. Thank you very much and see you soon.